We begin the installation by disconnecting the wiring harness from the module beneath the driver's seat. If at any time during the installation you have trouble, you can remove the nuts from either side of the module. This will allow you to lift the module for better access. Next, connect the factory wiring harness to the Autostop Eliminator. Then position the device and plug it into the module beneath the seat. Secure the Autostop Eliminator to the adjacent wiring harness using a zip tie as shown. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. If you'd like to use the Auto Start Stop feature, simply turn it back on and the device will not interfere with the stock behavior until the next time Auto Start Stop is manually turned off. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Subaru Forester. The entire installation takes only a couple of minutes. We use our proven straightforward approach which has no negative side effects. Also, our device does not make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your warranty or lease agreements. When you're ready to sell the car or return your leased vehicle, simply unplug the device and the vehicle is exactly as it was prior to installation.